dat ek my beste vriend verloor het. Ek kon, because ek het nie net my beste vriend verloor het in Suid-Afrika, en die man verloor. I just want you all to know, as long as I am here, the name Junior King, Junior fucking King will have fucking, it will echo into walls that people didn't know could echo into. It's up to us, bruh. Like I'm here for all of y'all. Anything that y'all wanna do to tribute Junior King, I'm in support of. Like, I love each and every one of you. Thank you to everyone that sent him a message to tell him that his life wasn't in vain. Ek sien dit alles, bra. En my hart is seer om vandag hier op 'n live te wees, om vir almal te celebrate, bro. Bro, he got us, man. He got us. He got all of us, bra. Hy het net 'n ooi gemaak vir ons almal. Especially for me. Mense sal nie weet wie my Medusa is. Medusa kom van Junior af. Junior my hy naam gegee sonder dat ek geweet het dat ek resonate met Medusa's story. If you guys have to go read fucking Greek mythology and you read Medusa's story, man gave me that name without knowing any of my life and what I went through. And I can't sit here and cry in vain. I can't sit here and not honor him. I cannot. Long live fucking Junior King, bro. Period, bro. Like, you come save me, broers, in die fucking ghetto. Period. King, I love you guys. I love all of you guys. Each and every dancer, every TikToker in here, every rapper. Junior is telling you, don't ever fucking give up. Because society will tell you, you can't. Maar hy het vir ons allemaal gewys. Jy kan, bra. Jy kan. Nobody yelle messes uit jou. Jy kan het doen. I had the least confidence in myself, and that man said, hello, you're gonna be the best female rapper in SA. I'm telling you, the DMs I'm getting right now, I wish people knew, I wish people saw and recognized that man and gave